G'day guys, welcome back to another video. I just posted my FTO tutorial and I thought I might do a walkthrough solve using my method. So this is a scramble. You can see the scramble in the description if you want to follow along. It's just a completely randomly generated scramble and I'm just going to show you what I would do following my tutorial. First thing I would do, I see this pair here with the edge and the triangle. So if you don't remember, we solve white face first. I see the red one, which can go in just once, which is quite nice, and that's left or well right of the purple, which is good, so we can put that one in, and that's the right color scheme. And we've got the blue here as well, which can go in. But first of all, I want to connect some whites, so I can see this white triangle can go one just here, and using this slice again, I can turn this across and put this white just like that, and then connect those up. And so now I can rotate this down, and that's solved just like that. And the color scheme is correct because we've got red and blue. Next, I see this triple is almost done. So what I would do, I see that I can, this is the purple and we want the red. So we put that one up, put this red down, and then we can slice this across, and that would create that triple just like that. And then we can just slide that one in as so. And both the other ones are actually in their place, but we don't really want that yet. I'm going to do this one because I see this purple. I can connect the purple to this here, rotate this direction, and then connect blue, which there isn't one. So I would put this blue up like that, and then connect across like so. And then I would rotate here, put this in. We've created our first shape. So we'd hold this and use this one as our slice. So I can see this pair here. Well, there's these two connected, which I would connect these two, which is quite nice. Rotate that, rotate up and see if we can find anything. I'll connect this triangle to this, and then this triangle came in at the bottom, which is quite nice, so I can just pair that up, and then put those three in at the bottom like so. And now that's all done. However, because yellow's at the top, we need to flip these because red and purple are meant to be in this direction. Red's meant to be at the top. So we would just do these moves, which flip them, and then we could just put that at the bottom and focus on the other colors. So gray is pretty nice. I'll put this here. Gray's at the bottom, and then I would put these two down into gray. We've got an edge here, which we can do something like this, and then because it's this case, I would do these moves to flip that triangle to get it in correctly. And so these are actually around the wrong way as well. So I'll just flip the colors on the gray because red needs to be on this side now. And blue is looking all good. So that's solved. So now we've got all of our centers done, except for the top, obviously. And now we need to fill in this spot. So we've got our corner here, which we want to connect to blue and red. Blue's here, red's here. There's a red here that I can connect just like that, and then I would connect this blue by flipping both of these like that. And so now this is connected, and then I would do a sledgehammer to get this over here, and then I can insert this by doing these moves just like so. And so now we're up to our final three triples, which I would do blue first because I can see this one can be flipped. This triangle will keep in this position because this is the position that doesn't get flipped, and these two do. So I'll flip that like so and connect that one, and then I'm just going to flip this to the top just for simplicity's sake because we want to make sure this one's flipped, and then do the same thing. However, we're going to put the blue on top of the purple so that doesn't get flipped when we keep this. We want to preserve this whole thing when we flip just for the purple. So we'll do that, make the purple over here. Now purple's done, and now we just want to flip the red, and it's just here. So we'll do the same thing. Keep this on top of it, and it's okay to flip this because it's purple and we want that on the top. So we'll do this like that, and then red is solved. And so we've got the blue, purple, which we would go into the blue like that. That solves the whole top, and now we've just got the orientation to go. So the way I showed in my tutorial is just by doing this. So we've got green and gray, which is this side. So we'll turn this up and then rotate towards the green and gray, which you can put that in, rotate this back, rotate, and then put this in. And that's solved. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was useful. Let me know if you have any questions about this puzzle at all. But otherwise, hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.